Let us see one statement question based on the concept of estimation. A company manufactured this much tools in first year and this much tools in second year. Tools manufactured by a company in 2 years. First year, this much tools. Tools are something used to means repair, or it is an extra hand for human beings. Like if you are having one plier, you are having one anything that are used by people to, like you have a screwdriver. So those all are tools. There are so many type of tools. So one company is there that is manufacturing this much tools, that manufactured this much tools in first year and this much tools in second year. We have to estimate how many more tools were manufactured in second year. First year this was the tools, second year this was the tools. In second year more tools were manufactured. How many more? How many more? Okay, if you say that in first term, in first year you made 100 screwdrivers. In second year you made 110 screwdrivers. So how many more you have made in second year? So how will you find? We will think for it. So statement we have understood. 2 years number of tools, and we have to find how many more tools were made. But by rounding off to nearest thousands, means we do not want exact value. We will round off to nearest thousands and have some estimation for it. Let us see how to proceed in this question. A company manufactured this much tools in first year. Tools manufactured in first year. 42712875. So we have to round off to nearest thousands. Rounding off to nearest thousands, we get thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Whatever is there after thousands place, make it 0. 42712 3 zeros are made. Check the digit that was right to it. More than 5, so add 1000 over here. So it comes out to be 0 0 0 2 plus 1 3 1 7 2 4. Now tools manufactured in second year. 5 3 8 2 3 9 7 5. Rounding off to nearest thousands, we get thousands places this. Whatever is there after thousands place, make it 0. 5 3 8 2 3 0 0 0. Since it is more than 5, so add 1000 to it. So the answer comes out to be 0 0 0 3 plus 1 4 2 8 3 5. Therefore, number of more tools manufactured, okay, we can write estimation for, because we are not finding actual value. Estimation for number of more tools manufactured in second year is equals to 53824 minus 42713 So let us do subtraction for it. Writing from right hand, 31724 0 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it came out to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Inserting commas, this is something we have got. So in this way, we can do questions based on estimation. So today, in this set of videos, we have done 6 questions. 4 questions based on addition and subtraction straight away. 2 questions addition and subtraction plus rounding off. Basically, these are statement questions related to addition and subtraction. So related to different types of question, like these 6 questions only. 6 questions we have done. Questions similar to these 6 questions, I will share one assignment with you. Do that questions and be more clear with this concept. Thank you. That was all for today.